So, hi everybody, my name is Ortra Neiser, and you are filming me at our home in the Napa Valley. So, we decided this year was the year to put in a new bathroom, being that the floor was virtually giving way and the noise from the wrong piping underneath was just unbearable. And we like to spend some time here and have a good time and enjoy it. We had at least 5 contractors say, oh yes, we're going to do it, here's our estimate. A week or 2 before they were to start, oh gee, they ran out of workers. They didn't have the time. So I finally went to Home Advisor. For some reason, Green Bay came up on the screen. I gave them a call and they were amazingly gracious and courteous from the get-go, and so I decided, all right, I will interview a contractor coming from Green Bay Remodeling. And after 1 try, 2nd try, Danny Lebowski walked in the door and he said, hey, where's the joy? Where's the joy, everyone? Let's do it. Let's build a beautiful bathroom. And I had been waiting for that. Well, when the walls came down in the bathroom, we discovered that there was no framing underneath along the walls, that the support beams underneath the floor were rotted out. It was a serious issue here. But having Danny around, who was here almost every day checking what was going on and bringing the right kind of professionals in to change the plumbing and the electrical around and put a new frame structure in before we went anywhere else, was just hugely helpful and gave us a lot of confidence about having Danny manage the job. Danny did a fabulous job. And we wouldn't hesitate to hire him again if we have another project coming up at this house. I suppose I should mention that this job was not an easy one for Danny because we don't live here all the time. We live in Oakland and it is here on weekends. So staying in touch and having Danny come here and supervising and so on was just hugely helpful to get this done. I would definitely recommend him to others. In fact, I love to show off the bathroom. When they come here, that's the first thing people want to see. What about the bathroom? Well, here it is. Ta-da!